Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the king of pop, Michael Jackson. Now we're going to be drawing some large sunglasses on this character. So we're going to start with the top edge of the glasses with a curve. Starting from the left, we're going to curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right side. Now from the ends, we want to curve down towards the bottom, and then up in the middle, leaving a gap in the center. So let's start on the left side, we're going to curve down. It's almost like drawing a half circle. And we're just going to pull that up to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting on the outside, we're going to curve down, round out the bottom, and then pull that up. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve going up the middle, and then back down. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the frame, so let's start with the top. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to come across, leaving a gap in the center. So going up in the middle, in towards the center, leave a little gap, and go down and out towards the right. Now from the inside, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down, again leaving a gap in the middle, on the bottom. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the frame. And we're just going to pull that in on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving around. And then up on the right side. Now we're going to add a large glare across the glasses. Starting at the top on the left, we're going to curve out and then down towards the bottom edge of the glasses, step over and draw that same curve coming down. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Starting at the top, we'll curve out and down, stepping over, draw that same curve. Now we want to fill the outside areas of the glasses in black. Now we're going to move in and draw the outside edge of the nose bridge. Starting from the left side, draw a short line coming down, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to step down and draw the tip of the nose. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down in the middle, and back up on the right. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve down, then up on the right. Now we're going to step down and draw on the lower lip. We're going to draw a shorter curve from left to right. Let's draw on the lower part of the head. Starting on the left side of the glasses, we're going to draw a half circle. We're going to curve down and in, just underneath the mouth. And we're just going to pull that up on the right side. Now we're going to move up and draw the inside edge of the hair. Starting on the top of the glass, we're going to step in, curve up, and pull that in. We're going to leave a gap in the center. We're going to continue on the right side, curving out, and then down. Let's add a large curl in the center of the forehead. Starting from this line, we're going to curve down and over towards the right. Now we're going to blend into a curve going around and out towards the left. Now I just want to taper this back up towards the top of the head. I'm just going to make it thicker as it comes around and then up. Let's add one more curl on the side. Curve out and over towards the right, and just going to pull that down. Now I'm just going to connect these 2 points with a curve going out and then back in. Now we're going to move to the side and draw on the ears. From the top corner of the glasses, we're going to step down, curve out, and then up for the edge of the hair. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to tuck the ears in behind the hair. From the end, I'm going to step in, curve down, and then in behind the head. Now let's move up to the top and draw on the side of the head. We're going to start with a series of curves. In the center, start from the left, we're going to curve up, and then down. Now let's add a smaller curve, going up and then down towards the left, and then the right. Now let's draw a larger curve. We're going to go out and then down. And then again, a smaller curve on the sides. I'm going to make our way around the ears. From this point, I'm going to curve out and then in, just aiming towards the ear. I'm going to curve around the ear, go out, and then in, just below each ear lobe. Now we're going to tuck this in behind the head. Let's start with one more curve going out and then in. And then a larger curve going up in behind the head. So on the left side we'll curve down and then up. Alright, so now that we've completed the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start with the sides of the jacket first. So over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve going out and then down towards the hip. Move over towards the right and do the same thing, curving out and then down. Now from the hips, we're going to curve down and in towards the inside of the jacket, leaving a gap in the center. And then from the inside of the jacket, we're going to draw a straight line going up underneath the head. Start with the left side, and then go to the right and do the same thing. Now just underneath the chin, in between the jacket, we're going to draw a curve, coming down and up the collar. Step down, draw that same curve. Now let's go to the bottom of the jacket and draw on the belt. From these 2 points, we're going to step up, curve down and up. We'll step up and draw the curve for the top of the belt. Now we're going to add the buckle, draw 2 straight lines on either side of center. Now let's add some detail to the shirt. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve up and then down. Now we're going to come down and curve in the opposite direction. Now we're going to add the center of a heart. In the middle, we're going to draw a point. From this point, we're going to curve up and out towards the left. Go back to the center, curve up and out towards the right. Now at the bottom, we're going to step up, start with another point. We're going to angle up and out towards the left and then the right. Now we're going to separate out the shoulder of the jacket. From the top of this line, we're going to step down, angle down and out towards the left. Line this up on the right, angle down and out towards the right. Let's add 2 sets of zippers on either side. Starting on the left right here, we're going to start with a straight line going up. Step down, draw that again. Now we're going to close off the ends with a straight line. Let's do that again just below it. Starting with those 2 lines angling up, and then we'll close off the ends. Let's take those zippers and flip it over on the right side. So we start at the top with those 2 lines, and then we'll close off the ends. And we'll do that one more time. And at the bottom of the jacket, we're going to add 2 vertical zippers. So starting on the left, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down side by side, close off the top and the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now in the center, I'm going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From that center line, I'm going to curve down and up towards the toe on the left. Go back to the center, curve down and up towards the toe on the right. Let's draw on the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to curve up. I'm going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll stop right about there. I want to blend into a curve going in the opposite direction, going up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving up and then down, and then blend into a curve going up towards the inside. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the outside of the leg. Starting from the corner of the jacket, I'm going to step in, start with a straight line coming down. Now about halfway, we're just going to bend that in towards the top of the foot. Let's do the same thing on the right. Come down, and then bend that in. Let's thicken up the sole. Taking this curve, stepping up, I'm just going to trace that all the way across on the left and right. Now directly above the foot, we're going to add the edge of the pant cuff. Curve down and then up. Now let's move up and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left, about halfway down the side of the body. We start with the inside of the arm, curving out and then down. Now right here, we're going to draw on the thumb. Start with a half circle. At the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. Now at the bottom of the thumb, we're going to curve down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now on the side of the second finger, we're going to curve out the third finger, curve the arm up, and then in behind the head. Now we're going to roll up the sleeve, so about halfway up the arm. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to curve in and then down. Let's add a wrinkle. Leaving a gap on either side, we're going to draw another curve going across. Now the arm on the right is going to be pointing out. So starting from the side of the body at the top, we're going to step out, curve down, and then out towards the wrist. Now I'm going to point the thumb going up. Starting from the wrist, we're going to curve up and over, round out the thumb. Now I'm just going to pull that back down and then in. Now we're going to overlap the thumb on top of the finger. So from this point, we're going to step up, go out with a straight angled line, round it out, and then come back in. Now we're going to fold the fingers in. Starting from the end of this line, we're going to draw an oval, curving around, up, and then back in. Let's tuck the second finger in behind. Starting up here, curve around, and then back up. Now at the bottom of this finger, I'm going to curve the palm coming down, and then we're just going to hook that up. We're going to step down, curve in, and up in behind the body. Now let's add the sleeve of the jacket. Starting at the bottom of the arm, I'm going to curve up and over. We're going to add that same wrinkle. Starting at the bottom here, we're going to curve across and over. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the edge of the glove over on the left side. From the cuff, we're going to step up, curve over, and then down. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the King of Pop, Michael Jackson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.